Describe a YouTube channel you like to watch. What the channel is about, who runs it, why you like it, and explain why you recommend it to others. I repeat, what the channel is about. Describe a YouTube channel you like to watch, what the channel is about, who runs the channel, why you like it, and explain why you recommend it to others. You will get 2 minutes to answer the question.
I would like to talk about a channel that I follow for my preparation because I am going to sit for my IELTS and I am taking preparation from this channel, and this channel is a channel which helps us or learners to speak English fluently and easily. The name of the channel is English Pod, and this channel is usually conducted by people who are good at English, and they try to solve problems like if we want to talk with any topic or anything in English, especially speaking, they helps us to improve our fluency, and they also helps us to build our communication skill. And I would like to talk about three things this channel helps me in, that is fluency, and also they give me ideas to so that I can conduct the conversation. And also, I would like to mention one thing. It helps me for correcting my pronunciation. And I would love to mention these channels to others who are struggling in speaking. And I would love to share this channel because they can learn many things from this channel, and it will also help them to be a confident speaker. And I have a great experience with this channel because I have this recommendation from a teacher. From him, I'm learning speaking, and I'm trying to be a confident speaker. So I think it will be beneficial for everyone who wants to learn English and who wants to make communication in English and who wants to be fluent.
Okay, thank you so much. It's the end of your 2 minutes.